Why is yawning contagious? Scientists believe it has nothing to do with being tired, and everything to do with how our brains connect with other people. When you see someone yawn, the part of your brain responsible for empathy and social bonding lights up. It mirrors what you're seeing, so your body copies the yawn automatically. Even reading about yawning can trigger one, because your brain is hardwired to sync with the people around you. It's not a flaw. It's your brain saying, "I'm tuned into you." That's why yawning spreads through groups like a silent chain reaction.